This is Amazing Africa. And here we have Deborah and her synchronized swimming team doing ballet of the Mara. As you can see, they haven't really rehearsed this very well.
But they do have nice uniforms.
Yeah, beautiful uniforms, inspired by the Lion King. Oh, the judges are going to frown upon this. Look at the egret. Oh, that egret's ready to flap now. There we go. Well done. He's thinking to himself, come and do the migration, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Stop that. Oh, slippery rocks. Careful.